Hey there, it's Des with Metro by T-Mobile, and today we're excited to check out the new TCL Stylus 5G. It features a big display, 50 megapixel camera, a handy stylus pen, and a long-lasting battery. And best of all, it rocks T-Mobile's nationwide 5G network. Let's check it out. The TCL Stylus 5G comes with a crisp 6.81-inch Full HD Plus NXT Vision display. NXT Vision technology allows you to get boosted color, clarity, and contrast. The TCL Stylus 5G comes equipped with a 4,000 mAh battery compatible with 18-watt fast charging. The stylus is a neat tool at your disposal. With the TCL Stylus 5G, you can access unique productivity features like Anywhere Notes that let you take quick notes on the fly. You can take great photos out far and up close with the quad 50 megapixel camera, which includes a 5 megapixel super wide angle, 2 megapixel depth camera, and a 2 megapixel macro camera. Up front, you've got a 13 megapixel selfie camera. The TCL Stylus also features AI optimized color, sky replacement, and object eraser. The TCL Stylus 5G comes with 4 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of built-in storage. Plus, it has an expandable micro SD card slot that lets you add up to 512 gigs more. Inside the box, you've got the new TCL Stylus 5G, quick start guide, SIM pin, wall charger, and USB-C charging cable. The new TCL Stylus 5G, featuring a big display, 50 megapixel camera, handy stylus pen, and a long-lasting battery, all rocking T-Mobile's nationwide 5G network. You can check out the new TCL Stylus 5G at your favorite Metro by T-Mobile store and online at metrobytmobile.com. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to receive notifications for upcoming videos. Now stay tuned for another great video coming up next.